Welcome to Bubble, a visual programming language that lets you build web applications without code. With Bubble, you can build anything, such as a marketplace, a social network, or even a CRM, all without the endless setup traditional programming frameworks require. In this series, we're going to learn Bubble from the beginning. We're going to walk through how it works and help you build the foundation for your application. Let's get started. First, navigate to My Applications and click New App. Make sure to give it a unique name. You can optionally fill out more info here or start from a predefined template. For this example, we'll just hit Create. When you make a new Bubble application, the assistant will appear. This will guide you through some common setup functions that we'll go through step by step. The first is the title of our application, as it appears in the tab of our browser. By default, it is our unique app name that we already filled in, so we'll leave it there. You can also change the primary language for your application, which will reflect in emails that your app would send, date formats, and other communications. You can drop the list down to see all the currently supported languages or request to add more. Next, if you have a favicon, the little icon next to the title in the tab of your browser, you can upload it now. You can always come back to this later though, so for now we'll just click Next. Here you can install plugins from Bubble's plugin ecosystem to extend the functionality of your app if you had one in mind. Lastly, if your app will be connecting to any external APIs, Bubble's API connector allows for just that. You can install it as a plugin from this screen. And that's it. Your Bubble application is set up and ready to go. In the next lesson, we are going to learn about the editor and how to preview your new app.